My name is Patrick from the Sportspage MC game room, and tonight is our Saturday box break party. Everyone will be opening a box of archives, 2019 archives, and we're gonna start here. Who wants to roll first to see who's gonna go first?
Right here.
Daniel, sir.
2.
2.
I am not going first.
A 4.
Off the table.
Eliminated. Oh,
What'd you get?
8.
8. I'll just roll for 11. Dad, you're first. All right. So how many packs are in? 24 packs. Here we go. There's the box. Let's get started. All right.
Sit next to me. We'll open together. Does anybody know where the hits are?
I have no idea.
Enough.
I don't know where the hits are in this one. I didn't break it this year. I got rid of it.
How many should we do each time around? You think 4?
Huh?
4 packs each time around?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Gerard and I are poker boxing.
Yeah.
That's what I always do.
4?
Yeah.
2.
Should I just start going?
Yep. You're first.
Who goes next?
What way do you guys want to go?
We got 8.
You want counterclock?
We'll go this way because they got 8 in it.
Tell me. Hurry. Pool hole. So I got an order already.
No,
That's a facsimile.
It is?
Yeah.
I got another order. Look at that. All right, nothing.
Not bad.
There's shorts in these too, though. Remember that.
I have no idea what that
Yeah.
stuff. Good thing you're here.
Oh. Oh. No. Then go over there and do it. Well, me open it.
Carter King.
Ooh, everywhere.
Not good.
Dansby Swanson.
Even if he gets a big, everyone's gonna have him.
Ooh, Gary Carter.
Mhm.
Fisk. Tommy.